Good morning guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 14 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper. And now select the source, the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. Let me pick one from System Wallpapers. Here we've got shapes and shadows, floral arrangement, some nature pictures, and just scroll through all the pictures and that can be added here. Let me choose, for example, this one. Just tap to preview. So this is your lock screen, this is your home screen, and if you want to apply it, just click on apply, then decide if it's for lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. I would like to set it on both. And as you can see, it has been applied and now it is covering both home and lock screen of your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.